like a Hellcat.
Well, hello, buddy bros. From this video, I'll call you Beebs. That means buddy bros. Okay. Well, hello, Beebs. My name is Shreyan, and today I'm going to tell you how to mod a Nerf Elite Fast Strike. Yeah. So it's pretty much simple. It's the simplest thing you can ever do. Yeah, and I will even put one golden stone here. Okay, so it's just okay. So now it's a jewelry Nerf gun. Wow, okay, doesn't it look cool? Yeah, so this is my modified Nerf Elite Fast Strike. Okay, I wanted to tell you one another thing. As you know, I am your host, and this will be my favorite t-shirt from today. So if you are not able to read it, I tried to be good, but I got bored. Okay, so this will be our slogan. We tried to be good, but got bored. So I will tell you how to mod a Nerf Elite Fast Strike, and this is the most simplest way you can ever think. Yeah. So today you must be thinking that our studio is changed a little bit. Yeah, it has changed only a little bit, and I have added the intimidation factor. Yeah. Intimidation magic. Okay, so let's do this. Now, at first I will take out all of the things that I added extra. Sorry, it's taking a lot of time. Okay, so I'm taking out the bullet also. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 rubber bands. Okay, so as you can see, I have attached one rubber band to the front, then the second one to it, and the third one is the most long, it's stretching till here, and the fourth one is here, and the fifth one is here. So what happens is, we need the rubber bands have, as you know, the more we stretch it, the more tension it creates, but we don't need very much tension because the rubber bands will, they burst and cut into 2 pieces, so we don't want it like that. So that's why I have took 5 rubber bands. You can take 6 or 7. Yeah, you can do this with any simple priming gun, Nerf gun, yeah, with which you don't have any risk. You can even do it with strong arm, but there are most chances of the rubber band getting cut, and it will hurt your finger when it strikes like this. Yeah, it hurts a lot. I have cried because of that. Okay, so this is pretty much very simple, and yeah, in the next video I will tell you how to fix Nerf Elite darts, because some darts just keep popping out like this. Yeah, like this. Now it's not popping out because I have repaired it. Okay, so on the next video I will tell you about a new game which I have invented. It's the most fun game you can ever think of, and you will love it during the lockdown. It's my ideas, bro. Yeah. Okay, so now it's no words time. I don't have any words, like every video. That time. So hello Beeps, I'm back. Okay, so as I told you, it's the simplest thing you can ever do to Nerf guns. Yeah, and so to play that game you will need a badge of your country or any flag any badge you have, and stones or anything you want to decorate. Yeah, this looks like jewelry. It's a gold stone. You will not be able to see it nicely. I was thinking to do it like this. No, but I will give you the introduction in next video. Please don't forget to watch that video. Okay, so this is the most simplest thing you can do to mod your Nerf gun. Yeah, okay, so see here, then it looks cool too. Yeah, okay, so if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. This is Shreyan signing off again. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.